In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Milanote board to PDF. Milanote is an incredibly versatile tool for creative projects, offering a visual way to organize your thoughts and ideas. Exporting your completed board to a PDF is a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through every step to ensure a seamless experience. First, you'll need to open the board or document that you'd like to export. This is a crucial step, as the export function is specific to the board you're currently viewing. Make sure everything on your board is exactly how you want it, as the PDF will capture everything visible on it. Once you've opened the correct board, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where the Export button resides. This button is your gateway to turning your digital board into a shareable PDF document. Click on it, and you'll see several format options appear. You'll typically have the choice between a PDF standard or a PDF large format. The PDF standard option is useful for most situations, offering a good balance between file size and image quality. It's ideal if you plan to share your board with collaborators or present it to clients via email. On the other hand, if image quality is paramount, especially for boards with lots of detailed visuals, you might opt for the PDF large format. This option gives you a higher resolution output, perfect for printing or detailed presentations, although it may result in a larger file size. Choose the format that best suits your need by clicking on one of these options. Once you've made your selection, the export process will kick off. During this time, Milanote is compiling all the elements on your board into a cohesive PDF document. Depending on the size and complexity of the board, this may take a little time, so be patient. While Milanote is working behind the scenes, you can take a moment to review your board, or even start organizing your next project. When the export is ready, the download will begin automatically. You don't need to click anything further, simply let the process complete. You'll find the finished PDF file in your designated Downloads folder on your computer. From there, you can open the PDF to ensure everything looks just right, share it with colleagues, or save it as a record of your work. There you have it, a simple yet powerful way to turn your Milanote boards into portable and shareable PDF documents. Whether you're showcasing your creative process, preparing a presentation, or simply archiving your work, knowing how to export a board to PDF adds an invaluable tool to your Milanote skill set. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!